Hi neighbors, it is I, Jerri-ellen. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Neighbors. So it's football Sunday, so we cook football food with our friend Ian Good, and the hashtag in the title and the description box will take you to everyone that has participated. I want to thank my cousin Mel from Two Cousins Cooking. We have been doing an open collaboration for Crocktober and having so much fun with it, and we have participants. And it's an ongoing collaboration to the end of the month. So at the beginning of November, Mel and I are going to do a video, and we're going to post it on both channels. And we're going to thank everyone, every single one that has participated in the collaboration. It's a lot of fun. There's a lot of recipes, man. Also, next week, doing collaboration again with my cousin Mel, because I just love her, for Halloween. So we're doing Halloween treat. And my friend Stephanie from Coffee with Stephanie, she's participating, and Linda from Create with Linda, she's participating, and all these ladies are wonderful. You know, I want to thank all of you for spending any time that you spend with me is time out of your day, and I really appreciate it. I truly do. These recipes today, I hope that you enjoy them as much as my family did. Let's get to this video. All right, neighbors, this one is one that my guys wanted to try. So here I have 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of cayenne. You can go 1 to 4 on that, depending on the level of heat you want. One more addition to this. This is 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. And I'm going to add a mixture I just had to that. And I have 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts in my crock pot. They're a little more than 2 pounds, but I have actually. Pour all that in there. This smells absolutely amazing. You can put a pickle on top. Let's have a little tasty poo. Put some nice slaw on top of this, be good. Juicy chicken. That it's not too spicy. Because when I tried it with both the bread and pickle, there was some spice to it, but the bread is really helping tame the spice down. Very good. A little bit of heat, but up to you about how much heat you want to put in. So maybe start off with a 1/2 tablespoon to a tablespoon, and work it from there. All right, so I had a smaller jar of giardiniera here that I pulsed in my food processor, plus a little bit out of this jar. And just because I like the smaller bits for the sandwich that we are building later. And I chopped up, sliced up, a few of these pepperoncinis because we like it a little bit spicy, the sandwich. I sliced up some of those. I have that in the roast cooking. Okay? That wasn't recording. All right, what did I do so far? I browned up a roast. It's good for 3 to 5 pound roast. Sorry, people. I browned it. I threw it in my crock pot. I put a teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano, a teaspoon of dried basil, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder. Oh, and I blended up in my chopper here a jar of giardiniera, and I scooped some of that into here, and I sliced up some pepperoncini, and I threw that in there. It's just as much or as little as you want with that, and if you want it hot or not. This is a package of Au Jus. We're going to put 2 of those in because we want a lot of sauce for dipping our sandwich in. 3 or 4 cups of beef broth. At a larger roast, you can certainly put in another 1.5 cups to 2 cups more. Our roast is not very big. The only difference in the recipe is like the amount of water, really, that we would be adding. Salt and pepper to taste, which I will do after it's cooked. 1 second, Jerri-ellen. Okay, and I'm also going to put like a little bit of dry parsley, teaspoon or so. So you basically want to keep it cooking on low until your roast is easily shreddable. Almost 6 hours almost. And now, then after I shred it, I'm going to put it on, leave it on for another hour on low. Okay, I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I bought these kind of buns because they hold up really well with the Au Jus. Okay? Get whatever buns you want. I like using ones that are pretty strong.
Mom wanted me to do a taste test. So then I figured, oh jeez. 1 test bite and then I'm gonna do a dip bite. And sorry that I kind of picked this up weird. Tastes really good. The bread tastes really good. And I like how the vegetables are kind of spicy. I'm gonna try to do a dip here. Here goes the dip. I know it's gonna be a little bit messy, but whatever. Yep. I feel so awkward, but it's good.
There, I'll just do
Tastes
that.
really good. I don't know, whatever.